a day that doesn't happen where I'm not looking at a piece of garbage on the side of the road or thinking about antique shopping or going to a junkyard or something like that, because it's these places where you can find old items that have a little bit of a history. They might not work perfectly, so they might rattle a little bit more or squeak a little bit more. And those are interesting props for Foley artists to work with. We wanted to get the sound of the ringing metal of the blade without getting the scraping sound that's usually associated with sword shings. I discovered that by picking a specific type of metal that was actually a shelf support, I could use a cello bow and bow the side of the metal and wave it around. It kind of gave the sword that was being moved a magical quality to it.